नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमित त्यागी और साल 2021 ख़त्म हो रहा है और इस साल की खास बात थी कि इस साल जो छाई रही वो हमारे ऐसे प्रदेश की फिल्म थी जिसने पूरे देश का मनोरंजन किया और ये थी तेलुगु से तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश की बनी हुई फिल्मों ने पूरे साल हमारे देश में सबका मनोरंजन किया। खासकर इस वक्त लॉकडाउन का वक्त था तो कई सालों से हमारा जो सिनेमा है वो भारतीय सिनेमा बन रहा है। केवल हिंदी फिल्में नहीं, यहाँ पर तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, मलयालम हर किस्म का सिनेमा है और ओटीटी के आने से अब लोगों तक ज़्यादा पहुँच रहा है ये कंटेंट। और सबसे ज़्यादा अब 2022 में जो शुरुआत हो रही है एक ऐसी फिल्म की है जिसका बेसब्री से सबको इंतज़ार है और इस फिल्म का नाम है RRR। एंड मेरे साथ उसकी कास्ट है, द ड्रीम कास्ट एंड द ड्रीम डायरेक्टर मिस्टर राजामौली, NTR, मिस्टर तारक and Mr. Ram, who were looking so beautiful in the promos and the trailer. You know, it was smashing. और अब मैं वेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि कब ये फिल्म थिएटर्स में आएगी। एंड हमारा साल जो है 2022 एक बहुत ही रोरिंग अंदाज में शुरुआत होगी। तो सबसे पहले मैं बात करता हूँ मिस्टर राजामौली से। सब बाहुबली के बाद पूरे देश को इंतज़ार था कि अब आप कैसे हिलाने वाले हैं और RRR के जो ट्रेलर से ही सब लोग हिल गए हैं। द ट्रेलर गॉट सच अ ब्यूटीफुल रिस्पॉन्स इन ऑल द लैंग्वेजेस। सो आई थिंक आवर न्यू ईयर फॉर द एंटायर कंट्री इज गोना बी स्पेशल विद RRR.
Yeah, definitely hope so. Definitely looking forward to it. And see, we had a sense, that kind of sense that this is this kind of film. I'm not talking just because of RRR, but the kind of film RRR is. It's going to bring the audience and the glory back to the theaters. That's the reason why we put up playing, bringing back the glory to the Indian cinema. We really hope so. We are really looking forward to see RRR on Jan 7th.
तो सर ये मैंने सुना है कि मतलब जो फिल्म मेकर है ना बड़ा टाइम लेता है। जो अच्छी फिल्म मेकर्स है, के आसिफ ने मुगले आजम बनाई थी, तो आप आज के ज़माने के के आसिफ है। मैं हिंदी सिनेमा की बात करूं, बाहुबली के बाद अगला जो प्रोजेक्ट, ये तो जैसे बता रहे हैं 3 साल लगी आपने उसको हैदराबाद से लेकर बुल्गार पता नहीं कहाँ बल्गेरिया एंड आरकू वैली एंड सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन, अहमदाबाद पूरा इंडिया घुमा दिया आपने। तो कितनी मेहनत लगी एक्चुअली?
Well, if the script demands that we go to Antarctica, then we have to go to Antarctica. That's how it is. For me, about RRR, I had a long-standing desire to bring two powerhouses onto one screen. I'm not just talking about two superstars. I'm just talking about two powerful characters. Bringing them onto the screen has been my long-standing dream. I always used to dream that. Even in my childhood, when I read novels of different writers, in my mind I will bring the character from these novels into my head and make a story about them. That gives me a lot of excitement. And when I started thinking about the storylines of Alluri and Kumram, the legendary freedom fighters, I noticed quite a nice similarity between them. And there are 2-3 years of no information in their lives belonging to the same era in the 1920s. And I thought, okay, I will weave a fictional tale around them. That gave me a lot of excitement. And to play those characters, the characters that we have written, I need two powerful actors, I need two powerful stars. That itself is difficult, and on top of that, I have to have a beautiful camaraderie between them. That is even more difficult. But I have been so lucky that I have these two guys, who are so fantastic actors, such superstars, and also the friends, close friends. So I took them and we made RRR. And for me, it is not at all difficult, because I have worked with them before. I know their talent. I know how they work. So for me, it was not difficult at all.
राज से ये बताएं कि आपने एक और बड़ा काम कर दिया जो इनको आपने नचाया है। What perfect sync, मतलब I think sorry TikTok videos, the whole that reels is like buzzing with that song जो आपने नाचो नाचो पे। तो मैंने सुना कि बहुत ज़्यादा आपने इन लोग को एक मसल तक सिंक हो रही है। तो how was that sequence conceived?
See, both of them are fantastic dancers. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that how good they are. But even in my dance sequence, there will be an emotion. There is something I convey to the audience. Even in that kind of mass mass dancing number. There is something that I have to convey to the audience. So in that particular thing, what I need to convey is the friendship between them, the sync between them, the coordination between them. So I wanted it to be perfect. The step itself is not difficult for them. You wake them in the middle of their sleep, they will get up and do it.
I want to see that hook step, so.
बहुत बार कर दिया सर 15 टेक 20 टेक किया सर
There are
बहुत
already
है
so
सर
many reels there.
reels
So,
है।
but it's simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
9 10 11 12
No, the step is simple. The thing is that they have to do it in perfect sync. Even if you stop at any random frame, you should be seeing them in the same posture. So for that no, I mean I asked them to rehearse the steps again and again, and which they
I'm not joking sir,
graciously
18 times we did it
Yeah,
18
19,
times.
sometimes it was just mood.
after that we forgot the number of takes, it was number of hours
Hours. They were in
each
it.
step 1 hour 2 hours
आरआरआर की खासियत है इसमें काफ़ी सारे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कलाकार भी हैं, lot of actors from England and other places. So tell us something about, because I think it's like a big collaborative thing that people from all walks of cinema are there. So which are the actors and technicians you had worked with? Technicians, so I'm sure most Bahubali team, but I see a lot of international actors.
Yeah, because the film is set in 1920s, pre-independent era, we obviously had to have foreign actors. Initially, we didn't know how to approach them, how to get them on board. Then one day I called Shekhar Kapoorji and said, I am having trouble in getting the actors. He said, you should approach in a proper channel. He referred me some names, some acting agencies, and I approached them. Then we got Ray Stevenson, Alison Doody, and Olivia Morris. They are thoroughly professional actors. They know what to do. Of course, a little bit of cultural difference is there, how they approach their acting and how I expect the actors to perform. Just 1 or 2 days, and they realized that I work on a different level. They immediately got into my wavelength, and we had a fantastic. They did a fantastic job, and we really enjoyed working together.
और एक और चीज़ मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, मैंने सुना आपने कुछ नए टाइप के कैमरेज यूज़ किए हैं, and viewers gonna see some new ARRI cameras are being used. Technically, you have worked hard in this film as well.
Of course, we use the latest ARRI cameras where the sensor is capable of capturing much more detail than the regular cameras. And not only that, now we are on the projection system. We are coming with IMAX. We are coming with 3D, IMAX 3D, and also for the first time, I'm thinking in Indian cinema, we are coming with Dolby Vision. I mean, we all know Dolby Sound, but we are coming with Dolby Vision, where you can see much more, many more details that you don't normally see. That's a new technology that we are using, but unfortunately, we don't have many screens in India for Dolby Vision. But across America and across Middle East, there are many theaters where people can watch it much more higher clarity.
जाते जाते मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप तेलुगु में दर्शकों को कुछ कहें तीनों.
In Telugu,
In Telugu, कि why they should watch RRR, why RRR is special for Indian cinema.
చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత ఒక పెద్ద స్క్రీన్ మీద ఇద్దరు పెద్ద హీరోలు కలిసి నటించడం అనేది గత 30-40 సంవత్సరాల్లో జరిగింది అనుకోవట్లేదు నేను. ఈ ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్లో జరిగింది. తారక్ అండ్ చరణ్ ఇద్దరు కలిసి వాళ్ళ నట విశ్వరూపాన్ని ప్రదర్శించారు. అది బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూస్తే వచ్చినంత ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ నాకు విపరీతంగా వచ్చింది. అదే ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ మీకు కూడా రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అందుకనే వాచ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ బిగ్ స్క్రీన్.
Both of you, for your fans.
Same thing, whatever he said.
same thing, I mean
Same
literally
thing. We put in a lot of effort. Obviously, all films are made with a lot of effort. కాకపోతే ఈ చిత్రాన్ని మాత్రం నేను తప్పక మీ థియేటర్లలో చూడండి. పెద్ద స్క్రీన్ పైనే ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. పైరసీని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయకండి.
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure to talk to you, and really looking forward to RRR. Thank you so much.